Is Montego the right choice for your furry friend's nutrition? Today, we're diving deep into Montego dog food, dissecting its ingredients and nutritional value so you can make an informed decision for your beloved companion. First, let's break down what's actually in Montego. We'll be examining the primary protein sources, whether it's real meat or meat byproducts, and the quality of carbohydrates used for energy. We'll scrutinize the nutritional breakdown, looking at guaranteed analysis percentages for protein, fat, fiber, and moisture, ensuring it aligns with recommended dietary guidelines for dogs of all life stages. Beyond the ingredients, we'll investigate Montego's manufacturing standards. Are they adhering to recognized quality control protocols and safety guidelines to ensure a wholesome and safe product? We're also sifting through real-world feedback from other pet owners. What are their experiences with Montego in terms of palatability, digestion, and overall dog health? By combining ingredient analysis, nutritional content evaluation, manufacturing insights, and owner reviews, we'll help you determine if Montego dog food is a truly good option for your canine's well-being.